name the fruits. Hi friends, welcome to our fun fruit adventure. Today we're going to learn the names of some yummy fruits and how to spell them. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a bright red apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Let's spell it together. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Great job. Here comes a yellow banana. Banana starts with the letter B. Let's spell it. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Can you say it with me? Banana. Ooh, delicious purple grapes. Grapes start with the letter G. Let's spell it. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Yum. Wow, it's a juicy orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Let's spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Awesome spelling. Look, a sweet red strawberry. Strawberry starts with the letter S. Let's spell it. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. That's a long word, but you did great. Wow, you learned so many fruits today. Let's say their names one more time. Apple, banana, grapes, orange, strawberry. You're amazing! Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to eat your fruits and stay healthy. See you next time.